Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will show you how to change your email in Wise. So first of all guys, if you are using your mobile, just go ahead and download Wise on iOS from App Store. If you are using Google Play or Android, you can just download the Wise from Google Play. So now, if you are using PCs less like I am, you can just go ahead to the URL section, open any kind of browser, and then URL section, write wise.com or just Wise, and let's pick the first website. Now, as you can see, this is the website and this is the home page. So let's say that you have already created your account and you have your email already in. So click on this icon in here and then go to settings. And here we'll go to email settings. Click here and how to change email address. So let's click here. And here you will find this help center where they help you and show you how you can change your mail address. So here, for example, I need to change my email address. How to change your email address on the website? So for example, on like us on the PC, log into Wise, click on your name on the top right hand corner to go to settings, select email settings, select change email address and type in your new email address. Select confirm and they will send you an email to your new email address and ask for your confirmations with your password. The change won't be complete until you do that. The same thing goes for the app. So log into your Wise application, tap on your initials or your photo on the top left corner. Select privacy and security. Select change email if you are on iOS or email settings if you are on Android. Type in your new email address, select confirm, will send you authentication to confirm. The change won't be complete until you do this as well. So how to disconnect and etc. You can find much more information. So if you want to change email, just have to click here directly, and here you just have to put your phone number, etc. and you will be changing everything. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and thank you for watching.